How to upscale AI videos in Kling AI. If you wish to upscale the video and render in a much higher quality, now if you already have an existing video and you want to just upscale that, then Kling AI is not the right application for you. Instead, you can use third-party upscaling applications. But for the one that it supports inside, so if we go to the all tools section, it does not directly have an upscaling feature that you can use to basically just go ahead and then increase the quality of your existing video. However, if you're creating a new video or generating a new video using new references and newer prompts, what you can do is before you hit generate button, you can choose its render quality. So here you can see the quality to 1080p, which is also a decent HD quality, but you can also maximize this by selecting the 4K plan. And when you select the 4K tire plan along with the video ratio and number of outputs, you can go ahead and then click on the generate button from the bottom of the screen. And this way you can upscale and increase the quality of video Kling AI. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.